The aftermath of the recent mission left the team at a crossroads. Elara, Rhea, and Aiden had successfully thwarted the Syndicate's immediate plans, but they knew that this was just one battle in an ongoing war. The Syndicate's reach was extensive, and their resources seemed inexhaustible. Every victory felt like a fleeting respite rather than a conclusive end. As the team gathered in their command center aboard the research ship, Elara reviewed the data they had collected from the disrupted Syndicate facility. The information was crucial, but it was clear that the Syndicate had anticipated this kind of interference. Their AI system had shown a remarkable ability to adapt and evolve, which suggested a level of sophistication that went beyond conventional technology. "We need to understand more about their core operations," Elara said, her voice steady but filled with determination. "We've only scratched the surface of their capabilities. If we're going to win this war, we need to get to the heart of their operations." Aiden, who had been poring over the data, looked up. "I have found something interesting," he said, his tone tinged with excitement. "There's a pattern in our A's behavior that points to a central hub. It's likely that all their major operations are controlled from this hub." Rhea leaned in, her interest piqued. "Where is this central hub located? Do we have any intel on it?" Aiden nodded. "The data suggests that it's situated on a remote moon orbiting Xylar 9. The moon is isolated and heavily fortified, making it a difficult target. But if we can get to it, we might be able to uncover the full extent of their plans and neutralize their central command." The team understood the gravity of the situation. Infiltrating a heavily fortified hub on a remote moon was no small task. They would need to prepare extensively and ensure that they had all the necessary resources to succeed. Elara turned to Rhea. "We need to assemble a team of specialists for this mission. We'll need experts in various fields: engineering, stealth technology, and intelligence gathering. The success of this mission depends on having the best people for the job." Rhea nodded in agreement. "I'll start reaching out to our contacts and assembling the team. We need to ensure that everyone is on the same page and ready for the challenges ahead." With the mission plan set in motion, the team began their preparations. They scoured their network for the best specialists and coordinated with allies to gather the necessary resources. The remote moon was known for its harsh environment and heavy security, so every detail had to be meticulously planned. As the days passed, the team's preparations took shape. They outfitted their ship with advanced stealth technology, reinforced its defenses, and ensured that they had all the equipment needed for the mission. The team was fully aware of the risks involved, but their commitment to the cause drove them forward. Finally, the day arrived for the mission. The team boarded their ship and set course for the remote moon. The journey was long and arduous, but their determination kept them focused. As they approached the moon, they could see the imposing structure of the Syndicate's central hub looming in the distance. The hub was a colossal structure, surrounded by a network of defense systems and surveillance equipment. The team knew that infiltrating the hub would require precision and stealth. They began their descent, carefully navigating through the moon's atmosphere and avoiding detection by the Syndicate sensors. Once they reached the surface, the team made their way toward the hub. The area was heavily guarded, with patrols and automated defenses present at every turn. The team used their advanced technology and tactics to bypass the security measures and approach the hub's main entrance. Inside the hub, the atmosphere was tense and heavily secured. The team moved cautiously through the corridors, avoiding detection and gathering intelligence on the Syndicate's operations. They discovered that the hub was a central command center, controlling various aspects of the Syndicate's activities across Xylar 9 and beyond. Elara and Aiden worked together to hack into the hub's central system, extracting valuable information about the Syndicate's plans and their AA's capabilities. The data they retrieved was both revealing and alarming. The Syndicate's AI was not only sophisticated but also had the ability to manipulate and control various systems, including communication networks and security protocols. As the team continued their mission, they encountered several obstacles and challenges. The hub's security systems were formidable, and they had to navigate through a series of complex layers to reach their objective. The team's expertise and teamwork were put to the test, but their perseverance saw them through. In the heart of the hub, they discovered a data repository containing detailed information about the Syndicate's operations and their future plans. The repository revealed that the Syndicate was planning a major offensive, which could have catastrophic consequences if not stopped. Elara and her team worked quickly to compile the information and develop a plan to counter the Syndicate's impending attack. They knew that time was of the essence, and every second counted. With the data they had gathered, they formulated a strategy to disrupt the Syndicate's plans and neutralize their threat. As the mission reached its climax, the team faced a final challenge: escaping the hub and returning to their ship. The Syndicate's security forces were closing in, and the team had to fight their way through a series of intense confrontations. Their determination and courage were tested to the limit, but they managed to overcome the obstacles and make their way back to their ship. With the data and intelligence they had gathered, Elara and her team returned to their research ship, ready to act on their findings. They were exhausted but triumphant, having successfully infiltrated the Syndicate's central hub and uncovered crucial information. The battle against the Syndicate was far from over, but Elara and her team had gained a significant advantage. They had exposed the Syndicate's plans and capabilities, and they were prepared to face whatever challenges lay ahead. The future of artificial intelligence and the safety of Zalar 9 depended on their continued efforts and unwavering commitment.